To create a pivot table, first click anywhere inside the data that you wish to use for your pivot table. Next, click the Insert tab, then the Pivot Table command over to the left, which opens the Pivot Table dialog box. As long as you've set up your data correctly, it will select your entire area of data for the pivot table. Leaving New Worksheet selected, click OK. The pivot table is now ready for you to load information. Select the fields you wish to use from the panel on the right. For our example, we will use customer name, sales, and quarter. Notice that Excel automatically places these columns in the sections below, but we will move quarter to the column area. From here, we'll click the column label drop-down, click the Select All option, then select Q2. Click OK, and our Q2 information is ready to review. Click the column label drop-down again, select the Select All option, click OK, and quarters 1 through 4 are back again.